Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're making a cute heart wreath using a wire clothes hanger and some fabric scraps. First, straighten out the wire clothes hanger. Flatten the wire completely. Bend the wire into a circular shape and reconnect the ends. Shape the ends into small hooks and connect them together. Bend one side of the wire at a 60-degree angle to create a strawberry shape. On the opposite side, bend it again to form a heart shape. Adjust the wire until you're happy with the shape. To secure the connection, wrap some ribbon around it to keep it in place. Gather your fabric scraps and cut them into 15 to 20 centimeter strips. Simply tie the fabric strips around the wire frame. It's such a relaxing and mindful process. Once the entire heart frame is covered, add a long ribbon for hanging. And there you have it, an easy yet adorable heart wreath. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fun and simple project. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative sewing ideas.